Are you tired of digging through menus to find your sales data? Learn to build your perfect dashboard in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through 8 simple steps to add widgets to your Whop dashboard. Let's start by logging in. Start by logging into your Whop account with your credentials. Once you're in, go ahead and open your business dashboard. Now, click on the Dashboard tab. You can now see your stats below. To add widgets, click on the Add button. Then click on the plus sign icon. Once you've selected your widgets, click on Apply to confirm your choices. Finally, click on Done, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.